Dun 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 dun. Welcome back. It's me, still Happy Dragon, and at least the scratch account is still the bar though. So today we're gonna do the deaths. Let's get started. Okay. So let's get a new sprite. Name. No, I'm doing spikes. Spikes. No. Death. Object. These things are very common. You can custom them whatever kind you want. So let's speed forward this thing. Okay, I'm done doing the spike. It's spike. It's now called spike. So let's spike over here. Spike. Let's call on spike 1, spike 2, and spike 3. Spike 2 is gonna have 2 spikes. That's what I at least expected. And spike 3 is probably 3 spikes. Just Control Shift, Control V. And let's move it right here. Okay, that's 1 spike, 2 spikes, and 3 spikes. This is perfect. So, let's just let it go here. Switch to the costume you want. And that's his job. But it's killing job, which is another player is much easier than you thought. So if like touching, let's see where the player spawns. Oh no, we have to set our player spawn in a different spot. 128. Okay. If touching that object, then you do the death animation. Oops. Death animation and boom. You can do whatever death animation you can. I'm just gonna do like fading. Change ghost effect by 10 times, and then respawn at the spawning point. 0 here, and then wait. Oh, got it wrong. That animation there, and then boom. Oh no, I forgot. I forgot. I forgot. Clear graphic effects right under there. Here. It's looking good now. There could be lava too. And so let's do lava. This is spike. This is spike now. Spike. Let's okay. Spike and then just duplicate it. But this time name it lava. And another montage. Here I go. Okay, it is done. So always set x to 0. So let's make a pit. Let's duplicate it and then just set a little pit. Let's see if we can bend this. And let's just do a little bending here. Yes, it's completed. But it's not yet. Not there yet. I mean, you just get a pointed point here and a pointed point here. Grab this all the way over here. This thing here, it's pointed. And then this thing here, pointed again. So this is the pit. Now let's do the lava. It's gonna do x0. And let's see, why do we need it to be in? Always go to the back layer. Whoops. We need it to be this thick. This thin. Okay. So negative 153. It's right here nicely. Oh my, wait a bit. Just need to load this a bit and a bit. Lower this thickness. And there we go. The lava. We're gonna play the animation. Okay. Animate. Run with screen refresh. Animate. And when we animate, oh my god, the animation. We need to change it back into that nice form. Yes, that's what I call animate. And -1 and 1 right here, 15. Now that's more good. We need to add the that codes too. If let's see, if touching lava, then that's animation. Look at this. Yo, that's so cool. Okay. Now, there's no chance of escaping that lava hole, right? So we need to have some sort of kind of thing to support it. Yes. Here we need to do level. We're just gonna do a little tower here for the player to stand if they're lucky enough. Haha. The back and then just yeah, that's all. Hey, if you're not timing good, then say goodbye. That's the little tower. Okay. We're gonna add a little trampoline here. Trampoline. Yeah. Trampoline. The trampoline's gonna be yellow. And bonk. No, here. And here. Trampoline. This is the trampoline. That's the trampoline. Let's see. Not play that animation right now, but instead, if touching trampoline, then literally set speed Y to 20. Let's see how it works. Yo, that's a real trampoline though. That's cool. This is awesome. Okay. Well. Well, that's all for the video. We got the trampoline, we got the depth objects. Well, it's time to stop. Tăng tăng tố tăng 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 tố tăng ting 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 ting